Hello guys, so in this video I will be discussing about my IRCTC trade in which I booked 17% return. Although guys I was supposed to book 25% profit, but due to some circumstances I was not able to square off the position on the right time, and that part also I will discuss in this video. So guys, let's start. First of all, I'll tell you this trade was a half price action concept based trade, and half it was a sentiment trade. So guys, what happened in March 2020, once the lockdown news was announced, and then there was a fear among each and every investor, and they thought that since the travel restrictions will be there, the company will not be able to earn good revenues. So see how it fell from its highest level, which was at 2000 rupees. Last year only it got listed. The IPO was launched in October 2019, and it made a all-time high of around 2000 rupees. So guys, what happened when the lockdown was announced? People started closing their long positions, and the price fell more than 50%. Look, it was 2000, around 2000 in Feb, till 20 Feb. It was around 2000, and people started closing their long position, and it went up to 764, which was more than 60% down. So guys, but we knew that IRCTC is a good company. It has strong fundamentals. So what I did during this period, I didn't made my position because we were not sure how much down it will go further. And then look, it first it was making the lower circuits. Look, it was down almost 5% every day. And then after 25 March, 25 March, right, yeah, 25 March, it started making upper circuits. So guys, once I observed that the share price has started trading between this range. So this was a good support and resistance zone which was established between the range of 1300 and till 1478, so around for 1480. So between this, how many points? This is around 300, yeah, around 200 points. So the share was trading between these 200 points, up and down, up and up, down. So this was a good support and resistance zone. So what I did, I knew that the company has a strong fundamentals. IRCTC is the sole licensed by company by the Indian Railways, and it is the only company which is allowed to provide catering services to the Indian Railways, to provide online ticket booking of Indian Railways, and also to supply packed drinking water to Indian Railways. So considering it monopolistic nature, we knew that once things are back to normal, it will start coming back to its original price, which was around 2000. So I made an entry between these levels. I'll show you my trade book. This is my trade book. So around on 19th August 2020, I made an entry at 1385 level, right? So right guys, so I made an entry in this zone, which was between 1300 till approx 1500 only. So I made the entry, and I was waiting for a breakout once the things are back to normal. So once the vaccine news was out, and once the investors are optimistic about the vaccine's performance outcome, and we knew that pandemic is going to end in the coming time. So this share gave a breakout on look, on 4th of December. It gave a breakout. It went up 14% approximately. So guys, I was waiting for the right time to square off my position, which I made at 1385 levels. So I was waiting to square off my position, and the next day on 7th December, it went up 8% approximately, and on 8th November it made a long tail on the upper side. So after seeing this candle, I knew that the share price will start coming back, and I had to square off the position on 8th December itself. But guys, due to some meeting, I couldn't square off the position on 8th December. I saw this candle after the market hours, and it made a long candle. Look, it made a long wick or tail on the upper side, and I knew from this candle we knew that the share price will start coming down, because it got a good amount of price reaction at this level. Because although the vaccine news is out, but still there are some uncertainties when we will be able to vaccinate this much population, around 135 crore population of India. So there are still some uncertainties left, and the price had to come down between the support and the resistance zone, which is between 1500. So next day, which was on 9th December, when I logged in, I squared off my position, and look, I squared off around how much? I squared off on 9th December, right? Yeah, I squared off 1617. So 1617 minus 1385, it was around 232 divided by 1385, right? So guys, it was around 17% return, right? So, and next day after squaring off my position, so look, I squared off my position on 9th December on 9 December, and it made a low. Look, it made a low of 1 4. How much was the low? Yeah, it made a low of 1405 rupees. It went down 10% the next day. I squared off my position. So guys, from the long tail only, I recognize that this share again is going to fall back, and it will found a support again in the support and resistance zone, which was between 1300 till 1500, and now look, it is trading in that zone only. So I have started accumulating a few more IRCTC shares in this level. Look, on 14th December I purchased around 14 shares, and I will be looking to accumulate more shares once it reach up to 1300 levels, right? So, and I know, because 1300 is a good support area, and it will be very difficult for the IRCTC share to break this level. So I will accumulate few more shares at this level, and then I will hold it for a while till some more positive news are out, and the sentiments of the market, sentiments of the investors is restored, and then again I'll try to book profit at this 1800 level, because 1800 level is going to act as a resistance next time. Or maybe I can square off 50% of my position at this 1800 level, and wait for the another resistance to reach, which is at 2000. So guys, this was all about my IRCTC trade, and so this trade was half based on the price action concept and half on the sentiments of the investors. So sometimes we also take trade based on using both the concepts, not only price action, but sometimes, mostly our trades are based on the price action concepts only. So guys, I think you have a good idea of how we trade, and what's our strategy, what's our thought process while trading, and I showed you my trade book also, so that you know that I actually trade in this share and book profit also of 17%. So guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.